Right now, the weekly is bullish. You look at me and like, how? Well, we're closing. If this weekly candle closes, we'll close above support, which we made when this candle closed right there. And so far, as long as the weekly candle can close above 54.8, I'll take it as a sign that we can get a move further to the upside. If we close below it, I'll take it as a sign that we're coming to test 51,000. And wow, we just got flooded to the downside, and you're now in the money on the short. Sammy did it again, getting you paid in the shorts, baby. And I can already see this too. Shoulder, possible head, possible right shoulder. I can get the measured move out of that, which is the neckline to the head. I can take a neckline here. This tells me that the next area of liquidity is 58,485, 58,500, which makes sense. So the weekly has a bullish engulfing candle. It's a beautiful sign. We close that like that. That's going to be very bullish. So if we just close right now at 58,000, good sign. And there's strong support there at 54.8. And, you know, as long as we stay above 54.8, I remain bullish. If we close above 54.8, I have to be open to the fact that 43 and 41,000 are coming for BTC. Now, the thing about the daily is the daily's in a double bottom. And I've been talking about this now for days. That's a clear double bottom. And I'm going to keep showing it every single day until people realize double bottoms break out 68% of the time. So right now, to me, there's a 68% chance, which is pretty high in trading, that we go to 76,000. So there's a very high likelihood we move up. This is about to break out, and it tells me that the DXY is about to have some problems. So if you're a Forex pip trader and you're looking for some gains, I'm telling you right now, I see an extended move for the Euro USD. It looks like the Euro is about to beat up on Bitcoin. Why? We're about to get a golden cross in the 1 hour time frame. Previous support is resistance, and now we have really good strong support. Bounce, 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 bounce. Previous resistance is support there. I like this. You could take a couple pips off somewhere at 111 there, but this thing looks like it's going to 111.8. So if you're a Forex trader, you can use the system exactly the same, and the probabilities are the same. Looking like we could get a breakout here. And honestly, this has an Adam and Eve vibe, right? So I'm getting a lot of these interesting looks, and that looks interesting right there. Look, I mean, that's an Adam and Eve right there that could break up to the upside. Your measured move would be from the neckline here, and that takes you somewhere to about 79 cents. A huge gap of the VRVP. There is a nice gap there. See that? All the way to 60,400. Well, look, I just said we're likely to drop to the bottom of the pattern. That's what's happening now. That could make a shoulder. Look, that would be a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. It looks more likely we're headed down to 59,300. I mean, all we need is a break above the 200 MA on the weekly, and that's the signal to get in. You break that 200 MA on the weekly, you're gone. The 5-day really, too, is my go-to. And you have candles above the 5 days, so that tells me you can open up a long, stop right there, and ride this thing. And it looks like it's going to a 115. Now look, Bitcoin collapsing just as I told you it would. How does he know? Because this is all I do every single day. I watch price action moves.